Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Last night I got a call from my sister, and she said, "Well, I have my presentation coming up with the city of San Diego for my renewal of my contract." And I said, I know about that." And she said, "You are coming, right?" And I said, "Yeah, I'll be there." She said, "Oh, and by the way, I need a necklace. I would prefer it to be pearls and turquoise." I said, "Pearls and turquoise. You want me to mix pearls and turquoise together?" And she said, "If you don't mind." And I said, "No, I don't mind." So what I did is I put this together, the pearls with the turquoise. And she don't wear big earrings. She just wanted something, really simple and easy, but very unique and different that really stands out. So I sent her the picture, and she said, "Well, can you make the bottom part, like right here where the pearls are?" She said, "Can you take the pearls, like that bunch of pearls right there?" She want the pearls that are like that to go all the way up and stop right there under the turquoise bead on both sides. So that means this part here, that cluster of pearls, she wants to go all the way up to the end of the turquoise bead right there on both sides. So it's going to fill in all this little part, right? And I said, "Wow, that's what you want?" She said, "Yeah, that's what I want." So what I'm going to do now is, because I didn't finish the back of it, because I wanted to see, if she liked it, and if she didn't, I could easily take it apart and do some stuff to it. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take the beads off. I'm gonna have to create a couple more balls of beads like this. Maybe one, two, maybe two more on this side and two more on that side. I said, "Well, that's gonna be nice and chunky." She said, "Yeah, I know, that's what I want." And she does wear like big, chunky statement, jewelry, like really unique, beautiful jewelry. And my sister is one of them kind, and I think I mentioned that in a video before, that she's one of those people where she won't use a purse if her shoes don't match. So if her shoes don't match her purse and her purse don't match her shoes, she not wearing it. She'll have a pair of shoes for years until she actually find a purse that matches the shoes, and vice versa. And I'm just like, wow, there is no way I'm doing that kind of stuff. But she is a very dramatic but classy dresser. Um, and I said, "Girl, you sure are lucky. You got a sister that make jewelry." And I do make her, some really nice, beautiful pieces. And my sister is like what them kind of people you call? She be in some rooms, and when I see she be in some rooms, my sister be in some boardrooms. She be making life happen on a real level. So whenever she does, walking somewhere, her jewelry is always popping off the walls. So this is what I came up with, but I'm gonna go ahead and change it, um, and do on here what she wants. And I could see it, and I could see it like nice and full at the bottom. And then what I might do, no, I'll probably leave it like this. I mean, after I add what it is that she wants me to add on here. And then I'll send her another picture, and then she'll tell me, "Hey, well, maybe take that off or add this or put a little bit more turquoise or, whatever." We'll see what she says. But in the meantime, this is the piece right now I'm making for my sister for her upcoming presentation. And she does have a cream, it's a really nice suit too, cream color suit. And then she'll wear this necklace with the earrings, and oh, I could see her now. Lord have mercy. And she has natural hair. So her hair, I already see my sister, okay? I'm like, "Girl, you just be doing the most." But anyway, wanted to stop by and share what I'm working on. Peace for my sister. And guess what, family? We'll talk